Here is a wonderful 2025 Audi Q8. This boldly styled Q8 delivers powerful athleticism, premium luxury, and impressive capability. Designed to meet the performance demands of driving enthusiasts, this spacious SUV encourages you to indulge your senses while exploring your world with confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, sun, moon roof, navigation system, keyless entry, active suspension, heated mirrors. Feel pure satisfaction wash over you when you're at the wheel of this remarkable Q8. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.